How to get your TikTok account unbanned. Now in this video, I'll show you a very quick guide for you to be able to recover your account or get your account unbanned from TikTok. So everybody knows that you no longer have access into this dashboard right here. So what you want to have to do is to use a reliable web browser on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now from the search box, just simply type in TikTok appeal. Now, usually you will be seeing a lot of results here like underage appeals on TikTok, account safety, moderation, and appeals on TikTok. But what you will be choosing is a report a problem. Then here, change the topic, switch it to account access and security. From category, just simply choose on recover, scroll down, input the username that was being banned. If you can still remember the sign up date, the sign up region, the email addresses that you linked in into that account, the device that you use to log in, and then your contact email, and then on additional details, just simply input here that appeal option is or was not listed on the email that you have received. And that's it. That's how you got your TikTok account unbanned.